remember the exact day. My wife and I were miles apart emotionally after she cheated. We were hanging on kind of by a thread. If I'm being honest, spent most of my time just furious. Always focused on what she wasn't doing. Wasn't giving me any attention. She wasn't doing any of the things that I wanted. She wasn't making me feel the way I thought a wife should be making you feel. Terrible as that sounds. And I told anybody who wanted to listen. One day I was talking to my best friend about all the stuff she wasn't doing. I was complaining as always, criticizing, disrespectful behind her back, keeping score. My friend looked at me, said, "You sound creepy. You sound like a sexist bully." I was furious with my friend. I thought he was totally off base. He was like, "You just don't understand." And then later, same day, I was looking for something in our office. I found her calendar. I looked. Shocked me wasn't what was on it, was how much she was doing. Work, responsibility, appointments, taking care of the kids, the house, family obligations, doing stuff for me even though she freaking hated me. Calendar was packed day to day to day, every day. And for the first time in a long time, I stopped looking at what I wasn't getting. I started looking at what she was carrying, and it was so much more than me. And I was totally broke down, was ashamed. I realized this one big thing. I became so focused on what I wasn't getting, I wasn't paying attention to hers. So focused on what she wasn't doing, I never stopped to ask what I wasn't doing. By that point, it was so late, too late. She had already checked out. She was already said to herself, "I'm done." It's one of the hardest lessons I have ever learned. Most relationships don't fall apart in one day or one argument. They fall apart one ignored problem at a time, one resentment, one missed conversation at a time. One day at a time, you slowly lose your connection. That's why I tell people, hey, all you can do is work on yourselves first. If you're exercising, eating better, sleeping better, managing your blood pressure, your blood sugar, and your stress, and you're becoming a healthier person in general, you're going to show up differently than some asshole who is looking out for himself only. A healthier person is a listener, is a partner. You have more patience. A healthier person takes more responsibility for everyone else and themselves. A healthier person is less likely to do this. Don't wait until you're standing in the wreckage of a marriage that's been over for years to start looking in the mirror. It's too late. You got to do it now. Because once your partner has checked out, you're not getting another chance. If you're starting over like me, please type "I'm in." Hit the follow or subscribe button so I can see you're doing it with me. And if you need some help getting started, I'm an accountability coach. Hit me with the DM here. I'd love to help you get started. Thanks for watching, guys.